Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be ripping out all the seats, the headlining, all the floors coming out, the electrics in the no, not really. That's just too much for me. I can't be bothered this week. You can see in my eyes I look a bit knackered. I've been really busy working, which makes a change. I haven't been that busy, but this week I have been really busy. And from my last video, I haven't really done a great deal to the van. I've done a few little bits. I'm going to quickly show you. I've fitted one of these new black sunglasses holders just to match the black ceiling, because when obviously I coloured all this, I put the old grey one back on. I didn't want to spray the grey one. I thought, for what it's worth, I might as well just replace that. So if anyone's after nicely used, it's not that bad. If anyone's after this, just let me know. Probably sort you out of it for a small fee. But anyway, that's that. So yeah, we've got this in. Looks really good. Happy with that. And then the other thing I've been doing, let me just go and grab it. I've been spraying the sun visors. Only the plastics on them. I've been spraying them red to match all the other red in here. I've done both of these, and I've also done the clips that hold it on. I've done them in red because I've just ordered some new covers for the sun visors. I've ordered these sort of like black covers with red stitching. I'm going to do another video on that when they arrive. They're going to be here in a few days, so hopefully I can show you that bit. But the purpose of this video, moving on, basically is I'm going to be fitting this USB like panel and cigarette lighter in the back, the very back of the van. So what I'm going to do is connect it up to my leisure battery. I've already got a 12-volt supply in the back of the van. That's for my fridge. I'm going to just join onto the power with that, which will be fine. This comes pre-wired, pre-fused, which makes life a lot easier than doing it all yourself. I've got a double USB port, perfect for charging my GoPro, battery packs, and also my phone if I'm using the van at the back. So like if I've got the tailgate open, for instance, you can charge all your bits up when you're camping. And the other thing which is really good about this is it can be used for my shower. So I've got a 12-volt portable shower. I need to show you that actually, because I haven't used it yet, but it is really good. I've tested it, but I haven't used it properly. The idea is eventually put the 12-volt shower on the tailgate or something like that, something similar, and then yeah, plug it straight in at the back, without having to drag the cigarette lighter thing straight in. Yeah, I don't smoke, so that's not for smoking if that's what you're thinking. Okay, so what I'll do, I'm gonna show you exactly what tools I'm going to use to fit this, and then just show you me connecting it up. Oh, the other thing I was going to say, what I really love about this is the switch. A lot of the USB panels don't come with a switch, which is a bit annoying, because if you wanted to turn it off, you'd have to put your own switch in. But this, look, it's got a nice little LED on it, so that will stay on when it's turned on, and then flick it and it will turn it off. Really handy. It's going to be very straightforward to fit. I shouldn't really need to do too much mess in the back. If you don't have a leisure battery in your car, van or truck or whatever you drive, with your Boeing 747, yeah, don't know why that come into my head. You can still fit this to the normal battery. You can wire it up and use it, say like if you wanted it in your dash, you could do. The only thing I'll say is just remember to turn it off if you're leaving stuff plugged in, because you don't want to drain your battery. Yeah, pre-fused, pre-wired, nice and easy. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. We love subscribers on YouTube, don't know why, I just say it. I've seen so many people say it, it's like pre-programmed into my brain. So yeah, subscribe if you are new. Please do give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and also leave a comment, question, anything down in the comment section. And yeah, I'll leave a link in the description for these if you're interested. And then yeah, let's get on with it. Cheers. So I'm going to fit the USB control panel, cigarette lighter on here. This is removable. It's at the back of the fridge, so I've got some electrics back here. Take this panel out, it'll probably be a lot easier. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the plastic lock nuts off the back, and also just unplug these, so you can see here, yeah, they're all disconnected. Just make sure you remember how they go back if you're not that familiar with electronics. So there you go, that's all unplugged. This is so I can line it up where I want to fit it, and then drill the holes and feed the cables through. That's that done. So now we're left with the panel fascia plate, and then I'm going to show you what to use next. What I'm going to do is take my dusty marker pen sprayer and just mark up this, where I think the centre is. Just going to put a mark there, that'll do, and then just do another one, centre-ish, and then I'll just measure across. I did work out what this is, it's like 46mm to the centre of each hole. So if I grab a tape measure, so 46 there, that'd be about right, and then from here, centre of this one, yeah, see, I was about right. Just got to get my hole saw now and pop these through. Now the tool I'm going to use to drill the holes, this is a 38mm hole saw. Now the diameter of these are 32mm. I've done it a little bit bigger just because if it's too tight it's just going to be a nightmare to fit. So if I line that up, 38mm just sits perfectly in the back of the plate itself. So the time I've drilled the hole, fitted this back on with the USB ports and the switch, etc., it should just all go in nice and tight. I'll be the guinea pig for this one, just to double check, yeah. So I've just locked on the plastic ring nuts. What's this made me laugh? I just opened up the box and the screws that it come with are these black plasterboard screws, which you'd use for fixing plasterboard up. Yeah, anyway, I'm sure it'll be fine. Right, I hope you can see this. It's going to be the easiest angle to screw this up for me. So just going to get my impact driver, line it up straight-ish. Oh, carpet is such a nose to go through. Just got to give it a little bit of welly, and then I should have really done all this before I carpeted all the back of the van, but there we go. Hindsight's a wonderful thing. There's another one. Another plasterboard fixing. Another one again. And then perfect. I'm just wiring up some electric control panel in the back. Noisy neighbours. He ain't wrong there. Alright, so we give it a test now. Plug that in. Light comes on. See if the USB charger works. Cigarette lighter with my USB charger in. Just plug the phone in. Da, da, da. Oh yeah, it's working. Perfect. And then there's also a light on this USB panel as well. That's all good. And then if I just pull this out, you'll see I've left enough slack on this cable if ever I need to remove the panel from the back of the fridge. So that is all done. Quite happy with that. So that's it for today. I hope you found this video useful. I put as much info as I could. Unfortunately, my GoPro battery died like halfway through and it was so hot, I just wanted to get it done. So I did do the recording at the end from my iPhone. However, if there was anything you weren't so sure about and you are looking to do this yourself, just drop me a message. I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can. And yeah, I've just been for a lovely splash and a swim in the sea because it's so hot today. It's absolutely roasting. I've had a bit of a sunbathe as well. And my next video, which I'm going to be uploading, is about the sun visor covers that I'm going to fit. They're going to be arriving in the next few days, and the video I'm going to do for that will be pretty good because I'm really excited for them to go in, because it's sort of like the last piece to the puzzle in here. Especially I've done this now, so I'm literally just waiting to finish these sun visors. The other thing actually, which I'm having a mare with at the minute, I took my out of every job in it, I took my mirror, my rear view mirror off to respray. Resprayed it all, it's come out really well, but for luck I cannot get, oh, dropped it, where's it gone? 1 second, I've lost a little bit now. There you go, my life just gets better, doesn't it? I think it's gone under the seat. Okay, so what I was going to say is this thing here, it will not lock on to the windscreen no matter what I do. I don't know if it's damaged, but I've never actually liked trying to fit these things as it is. Like, that is still loose, even when it's like that. It still doesn't want to tighten up. Maybe one of you wizards on my channel can, you know, give me some help with this. I think it's a job for Autoglass. I don't know, I think I've actually got a feeling it's probably broken on the inside. I might have worn it out by trying to, you know, refit it and take it off and stuff, but it's not the end of the world, you know. I've still got a reversing camera and I've still got windows all round pretty much, so I'm not too bothered. But yeah, that's it for today, and I will see you all soon, and yeah, peace out, bye.